Professor Wells, what pump do you recommend to conduct a pump test? In short, I need to run the pump 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it needs to fit in a 4-inch well.
I have the perfect pump for that tough situation. Why not use the Proactive 12-volt Abyss pump? It only weighs around 27 pounds and includes 230 feet of 10-gauge wire. It even fits into any 4-inch well, including Schedule 80 wells with the Abyss Slimline model. This pump has the ability to lift up to 220 feet depth to water. And the great thing about the 12-volt Abyss pump is that if you have 110 volts at your job site, it converts a 110/220 AC volts to a safe 12 DC volts that runs the Abyss pump. Or say you're out in the middle of nowhere, where you don't have 110/220 volt electricity. That is where the Abyss really shines. You can hook up the Abyss to a 12-volt deep cycle battery, or even hook up the Abyss to a solar panel system with Proactive 80-amp solar charger system. And did you know that Proactive has engineered a turnkey 80-amp solar charger, pump timer, and Abyss booster all incorporated into an easy-use, weatherproof enclosure? With Abyss Timer, you can control specific times to turn the Abyss on and off, even up to 17 times a day. And the Abyss booster is an option. I have heard that there are several hundred Abyss pumps running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at a nasty sandy oil pump and treat recovery site that is currently being used for a very large gas and oil company. With the Abyss Controller 1, the technician can set the controller probes to a desired water depth and have the Abyss turn on and off as the well recharges. So now the technician has the ability to cut out so much wasted time by eliminating the need to continually check on the pump. You also have the option to install the external float that is included with the Abyss Controller 1 and insert the float into a large tank. So when the tank is full, the float will activate, shutting off the controller, therefore shutting off the Abyss pump. And another great feature that if you need even more pumping power, you can hook up the Abyss booster, making the Abyss pump up to 2 gallons per minute, and it only consumes 6 amps per hour. There is no other pump on the market that can pump like this. And with the Abyss pump, the technician can low flow sample all the way down to 10 milliliters a minute while using the low flow sampling controller. That's why, once again, I recommend the Abyss pump. In conclusion, I personally feel the Abyss pump is the only pump I would use in a 24-hour pump test for 4-inch wells or larger. Next class, we'll be talking about how to save your client a boatload of money.